Okay, so let's have the sum and difference of sum and difference identities. So in this case, kakaroon tayo dito in the sum and difference identities. Magkakaroon tayo ng sign is the open close per the quantity of a plus b is equal to sin a cosine b plus cosine a sin b. Yung isa naman is sin the quantity of a minus b is equal to sin a cosine b and cosine a sin b. So itong dalawang to, isang positive at saka isang negative kasi based on the given sum and difference identities. So itong dalawang to ay parehas, nakaiba lang sila sa sign. So kapag positive, positive. Kapag negative, it's negative. So another is the cosine a plus b. This is cosine a cosine b minus sin a sin b. And kapag naman cosine a minus b, cosine a cosine b plus sin a sin b. So baliktad naman sila. Pag positive, dito naman ay negative. Kapag negative, ito naman ay positive. Then tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b all over 1 minus tan a tan b. And tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. So, yun. So, dito naman sa tan, kung positive to, dito ay negative. Kung ito ay negative, dito ay positive. Parehas lang naman sila. So, ganun din. Kung ito ay positive, dito ay positive. Kung negative, dito ay negative. So, sa baba lang siya nagkaiba. Okay? Now, in that case, since meron tayong given na A and B, yung dito A and B, also we have the angle A and B. So, gagamit tayo ngayon ng triangle. So, for the angle A as the reference, ito, for the angle A as the reference and for the angle B as the reference. Kasi magkaiba kasi siya. Now, for the angle A, hanapin nyo kung nasan yung theta. Itong theta na to. Kasi that will be the reference. So, yung A natin, since nandun siya sa, yung theta is nasa A, so therefore, ito yung ating magiging reference angle. Now, magkaiba sila. So, gagamitan natin siya ng sopatawagin. In this case, yung A natin, ang opposite na, ang sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Andito yung opposite niya. Tapos, dito yung hypotenuse. So, kasi yung theta, nakaharap siya dito. Yan. Tapos, yung cosine mo, adjacent over hypotenuse. So, ito yung adjacent over the hypotenuse. Ito, at saka ito. And tan A is opposite over the adjacent. This is letter D. Adjacent. For the reference angle B, so yung theta mo is nandito sa taas. So, therefore, this is B, this is A, and this is C. Parehas lang naman sila ng ABC. Pero, yung opposite niya ngayon is nandito na siya sa baba. Yung dating adjacent ngayon ay opposite na. So, nagkakabaliktad na sila. Tapos yung dating opposite ngayon ay adjacent naman. So, nakita nyo yung difference ng dalawa. Kapag tan A, kapag tan A reference at saka tan A na. Kapag angle A as the reference and angle B as the reference. Parehas lang din naman sila ng gamitan natin siya ng sopatawa, pero yung sin B opposite over hypotenuse, yung opposite niya ngayon is nandito na sa baba over the hypotenuse. Tapos yung cosine is adjacent, nandito siya sa gilid over the hypotenuse. Pagdating siya sa letter B. So magkaiba sila. Dito sa isa, kung reference angle mo, yung opposite mo is yung nandito sa side over the hypotenuse for the sine. For the cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. Dito sa kabila is yung opposite niya is nandun na sa baba, opposite over the hypotenuse. So yan po yung ating difference ng for reference angle A and for reference angle B. May kinalaman kasi siya sa pag-solve ng given later. Okay? Question? Can we proceed to the example? Okay. Let's proceed to the example. We have here the example. We have here that tan A is equal to 3 over 4. That is the opposite over the adjacent kasi TOA. So, katowa. For cosine B, this will be 12 over 13 adjacent. That is adjacent over the hypotenuse. Then we need to find for the following sin A plus B, sin cosine A minus B, tangent A minus A plus B, and cotangent A plus B. Now, in this case, kumpletuhin muna natin yung kanya triangle. For the tan A, ano yung nawawala? Anong function na nawawala? Dalawang function. Anyone? Balik tayo dito. For the tan A, we have here the opposite over the adjacent. So therefore, ang kulang ay kumpletuhin natin ng sine at saka ng cosine. Sa kabila naman, it's cosine B. So therefore, kukumpletuhin natin, ito yung given. Kukumpletuhin natin yung sine B at saka tan B. Okay, so let's have first tan A. For the tan A, sa opposite over the adjacent. So kung ito yung letter A mo, A, B, and C. Ito yung reference angle. Ano ito siya? So, yung opposite mo, asan natin ilalagay yung opposite? So, andito yung opposite. So, this is the 3 over 4. So, that is the 4 reference angle A. So, that is 3 over 4. Now, for the letter C, for the hypotenuse, gamit tayo ngayon ng C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, the Pythagorean formula. So, karon tayo ng C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So, this will take as yung A natin ay 3 squared plus 4 squared. So, therefore, karon tayo ng C squared is equal to, this will be 9 plus 16. Then, C squared is equal to 25. Then, taking the square root, where C is equal to 5. So, that is the square root of 25 is 5. So, therefore, this will be 5. Yan. Then, kukumpletuhin na natin yung ating reference A. For the reference A, nagkakaroon tayo dito na yung tan natin given na, which is the 3 over 4. What will be the sin A? Ano yung magiging value ng sin A? Which is the so. Micaela. What is so? Wala na. Borromeo, what is so? What is sin A?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
What is the value?
Three over 5 po.
So this will be 3 over 5. Next, we have the cosine A. What is cosine A? That is K. Cedric. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Balik tayo sa triangle. Saan ang adjacent for the reference A? Nasa baba. Diba? So therefore, what's the value of K?
4 over 5 po.
Okay, so this will be 4 over 5. Kompleto na yung ating, yung tan natin, tan A is equal to 3 over 4. Kompleto na yung barkada ng reference A. Meron tayong sine, cosine, and tangent. Next, let's solve for the reference B. Given natin is cosine B is equal to 12 over 13. drawing ulit tayo ng triangle. A, B, and C. Ngayon, ito na yung magiging opposite natin na nandito. Kasi andito yung ating reference angle sa taas. So, yung baba na yung magiging opposite. So, magkakaroon tayo ng adjacent over hypotenuse. This will be, ito na yung ating magiging adjacent. So, based on this, so, andito na yung adjacent, then, ito yung opposite. Yan. Hypotenuse natin still dito, which is the 13. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng, gamit ulit tayo ng c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So yung c natin ay 13 squared is equal to yung letter a natin, which is the missing part, 12 plus this is 12 squared. Yan. What is 13 squared? This is 100. So the 13 squared is equal to 169. Is equal to a squared. Plus yung 12 squared, that is 144. By transposition, magkakaroon tayo na lipat natin ito dito. So this will be a squared is equal to, so what will be the a squared? 169 is 144.
25 po.
This is also 25. So taking the square root, yung a mo is also 5. So this is 5. Yan. Sin A, cosine A, tan A. Ngayon naman, kukunin natin is the sin B. What is sin B? That is opposite over the hypotenuse. Balik ulit tayo kay triangle ng reference A, reference B. Opposite over the hypotenuse. So therefore, what will be the sin B? RJ.
25 over 13 po.
25 over 13? Diba yung square root natin yun? So, what is 5 over 13 lang? Square root ng 25 is 5, diba? So, this will be 5 over 13. So, ito, this is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Next, yung cosine B natin from the given itself is 12 over 13. What will be the tan B? Balik tayo kay triangle. Tan B is opposite over the adjacent. Nasa this is adjacent. Nasaan ang adjacent natin? Nasaan ang opposite natin? Ito sa baba. Nasaan yung adjacent natin? Dito sa side. So therefore, what will be the answer?
5 over 12 po.
This will be 5 over 12. Yan. Okay, so kompleto na ang barkada ng sin B. Meron na tayong reference B pala rather. Meron na tayong sin B, cosine B, and tan B. Let's solve the sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, gamitin natin itong formula na to. So therefore, magkakaroon tayo dito na for letter A, so sin A plus B is equal to sin A cosine B plus cosine A sin B. This will be equal to, ano daw yung value ng sin A? Which is 3 over 5. Ano yung value ng cosine B? Ito yun. Value ng cosine B ay 12 over 13 plus ano yung value ng cosine A? Ito siya, which is 4 over 5. Ano yung value ng sin B? Dito yon. This is 5 over 30. Yan. Yun na yun. 12 over 13 plus d cosine A is 4 over 5. D sin B is 5 over 13. Then, gamit lang tayo ng calculator. What will be the final answer? I-type po yan. 3 over 5 times 12 over 13 plus 4 over 5 times 5 over 13.
$56 over 65 po.
Okay, so that's the answer. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 56 over 65. Yung iba, the same answer ba? Haba, no? Ganun talaga. Sa letter A pa lang tayo, may letter B pa. B, C, D. Okay na? Can we proceed to the letter P? Okay, so kopyahin lang natin itong sin A, cosine A, and tan A. So, one tayo dito ng sin A. Sin A is 3 over 5. Cosine A is 4 over 5. Tan A is equal to 3 over 4. Then sin B, cosine B, tan B. Tayo na hyperprotein and 5 over 12. That's the next, the cosine A minus B. For the letter B, tampay ng cosine A minus B. Kung cosine A minus B siya, ito yung formula natin gagamitin. This will be the cosine A, cosine B plus sin A, sin B. So, nagkaroon tayo ng cosine A, cosine B plus sin A plus B. Dito lang, palitan lang natin yung kanyang value. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng cosine A natin is 4 over 5. Pa yung cosine B mo ay 12 over 13. Plus, yung sin A natin ay 3 over 5. At ang sin B ay 5 over 13. Compute.
Over 65.
Okay, so this will be 63 over 65 as the answer. Okay, that's the next answer. Tan A plus B. Okay, for the letter C. This will be tan. For the tan A plus B, we'll gamitin natin yung formula. Ayan. So, this will be equal to all over 1 minus tan A tan B. kunin lang natin so tan B ay 5 over 12 all over and 5 over 12. This will be equal to, simplify lang muna natin yung nasa taas. Now, yung nasa taas, makakaroon tayo ng 3/4 plus 5 over 12. This will be
6 po.
6. Okay, this will be 7 over 6. All over, simplify natin yung 1 minus 3 over 4 multiplied by 5 over 12. What will be?
11 over 16 po.
Okay, this will be 11 over 16. Then, ang reciprocal, so magkakaroon tayo dito na is equal to 7 over 6 multiplied by 16 over 11. Ano magiging sagot? 7 over 6 multiplied by 16 over 11.
Is over 33 po.
Okay, so this will be 56 over 33. So, ito yung value ng tan A plus B. Now, for the letter D, nakalagay dito is cotangent A plus B. Cotangent A plus B. So, we need to solve this. Wala tayong cotangent sa given natin. Nakalagay natin is tangent. So, pero ang given natin ay cotangent, wala tayong cotangent sa formula. Paano natin siya isosolve? Ano ang reciprocal ng cotangent?
1 over tangent po.
1 over tangent. Or what? In short, this will be tangent lang. So, 1 over tangent. So, the cotangent is equal to 1 over tangent. 1 over tangent or the reciprocal of the tangent is 1 over cotangent. So, they are reciprocated. So, therefore, may sagot na tayo kanina ng A plus B. Parehas lang naman sila ng A plus B, A plus B. So, ang sagot niya is 56 over 33. So, since they are kabaliktaran or reciprocal, baliktarin lang natin yung sagot. So, therefore, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 33 over 56. Kasi baliktad lang naman siya. Okay? So, yun yun.